Hello everyone, and in today's video I will show you how to delete all chat in Qwen AI. So at first you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your desired web browser application. For me it's Google. Tap on it. On the Google search bar you have to type in Qwen AI. You have to select the first result and make sure to log in. From the home page of the Qwen AI, you have to tap on to the profile icon from the top right corner of your screen. On the pop-up, select Settings. In the setting interface, you will get various options like General, Interface, Modal, Chat. Select Chat. As you can see the option of Delete all chat. Tap on it. Qwen AI will ask for your confirmation. So you have to tap on Correct. And that's how you delete all your chats from Qwen AI application. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.